Hey everybody, it's Ben Hoffman, professional triathlete and Ironman champion, checking in from my backyard here in Tucson, Arizona. This is my training base and where I do the vast majority of my training throughout the year. I'm here today to talk a little bit about my master spa, swim spa, and give you a little bit more information about how we use this in our daily life, and then also to give you a couple of pro tips and tricks, just hopefully something that can help you utilize your spa a little bit better. Obviously, we're here in Tucson, Arizona. It's a special climate. The two things that kind of make it unique, obviously, are that the winter is a little bit warmer than the average place in the United States, and then the summer is quite a bit hotter. So in order to keep the water at a temperature that was comfortable for us, we went ahead and installed these shade sails here. And basically what this does is it gives us a little bit of extra shade over the swim spa area. Keeps the water a little bit cooler, keeps that direct sunlight off of you, so there's a little less chance of sunburn at peak heat of the day. And yeah, it just makes everything a little bit more enjoyable. So we found that we had to lower the shade sails down just a little bit in order to make sure we had the actual shade. There's such intense sun here that if we had it up too high, the sun would actually kind of sneak its way underneath and still blast the spa. So we may take these down in the winter time once the intense heat subsides, but it's something that really does help keep that water temperature down in the low 80s, which is about where I like to have it, in that 82, 83 degree range. It's where I find it most comfortable for doing those long continuous swims so that I don't overheat, but also not cold enough that I actually end up feeling a little bit chilled. So everybody has their own special temperature range that they prefer. For me, that's what I find works the best.